I'm just going to spend a little bit of time talking you through the collaborative learning tools that are available on our school's learning management system. You can see here that I've got a list up of 9 collaborative tools that you can download onto your home page. This is done by clicking the plus sign, which will open up this tab here. The first of them are the chat and the social stream. Either of these can be added onto your homepage. They both basically, though, serve the same purpose. They are collaborative in the sense that the group members from your class can chat and respond to each other, but it is very much a linear way of just basically giving information to students. You can post a question and have students answer it. Students can respond to other students' responses, but it's not a way that's really used in extensive form. It is more just for posting information, the chat and the social stream. Over here is what we have called the forum. Now, the forum is a discussion forum where students can post information or post answers to a question that you have posed. But the good thing about the forum is that if they post an answer that picks up on another thread or another particular idea, and students want to respond to that idea, they can respond to that response and start another thread, rather than having to respond to the very initial question that you posed. So students can then see the different threads available of information stemming from whatever students have posted. It's a good tool to use if you want ongoing discussion about a particular topic over a number of days or weeks, and that topic can then form information which maybe students would use in a task together. These two groups here, the group members and the group managers, enable you to divide your class into groups and have a group manager that organises that group. This then means that you might have a group of students who are working on a particular project, and they can set up a forum or a chat or a social stream, and it's just to do with their particular work that they're doing. Only the group members that you have set up within the class can view that information. The other two tools that are available are surveys and polls. They are a level 1 or a lower level collaborative document or tool on this platform, and they allow students to respond to a question, and the answers to the question are not displayed like in the chat or social stream, but they're displayed in a diagrammatic form. So, for example, if you wanted to put a poll together eliciting students' ideas or responses about a particular topic, you would set up the poll with the answers that were available, and each person would then vote, and that might then show that one particular idea was more important or had more value or more interest in this class than another. It gives students very much a feeling of being part of a group and gets them into the association ideas of belonging to a group, contributing to a group, and having a substantial role in the group's decision making. The last two documents are collaborative docs and a wiki. Now, a wiki is, I've set up a wiki here. When you go into the wiki, you can post a question or write a lot of information about a particular topic, and then many other times throughout the day or over the next couple of weeks, different authors within the group can change or add information to that page or that wiki page. Now, this group here, this page here, gives you the compare slide, which allows you to look at the alterations or the additions that have been made, and it puts it in a stream of date of order of when it happens and shows you what has been changed by whatever author. Now, the problem with a wiki, or the limitation of a wiki, is that only one person can work on the document at one time. It's not a document where live people can work on the document and those changes can be seen as everyone is doing that. The next document that is really very valuable is the collaborative docs. If you set up a collaborative docs on your page, I've set up one here called Food Trends. It loads up a page that all students that are members of the group can then contribute to and write on. I have just written a couple of sentences here on food trends, and you can see that my contribution is highlighted in pink. As more people write and the document becomes larger, each of the group members, which are over here, will have a different colour that is highlighting their work. Now, it doesn't matter how many people are working on this document at the one time. If you are typing something and somebody else is online and they're typing, you can see what they're doing in real time. So it gives a very good collaborative feel to the document, that it is being developed with everybody who is contributing at that time. That's just some of the tools that are available to be used on our homepage. So you need to have a little play around with them, become familiar with them, and the more that you use them, the better you will become, and your students will get quite used to using collaborative style communication in all the activities that they're doing in your class.